So this is the floor so far. Olivia started laying down the tiles yesterday. And my mouth is full of croissant. Baby is freaking out. Where is she? And that's it. I'll show you guys some more later. So today is a cooking night in this house. I'm vlogging. Hamburger buns with cilantro, garlic, blue cheese, green olives, black olives, and garlic. Olivia did all the vegetables to grill. He's doing mushroom. Some more vegetables and a little mozzarella tomato with cilantro and basil salad. And some snacks while we cook, of course. And this is for that little one there, because yeah. And he's cooking some mushroom over there, and I'm gonna cut the watermelon now. And while we cook, we eat Nutella because we're Frenchies. So that's it for now. I'll show when it's ready. Go France! What do you wanna gonna do? That's the mother cutting watermelon. She cut all three. Good job, darling. Thank you. Love you. What? A hair on my plate. See, we are not perfect. We are just normal family. With all the floors dirty because renovation, but some rice, some carne, meat, Nutella because we are French, salad with mozzarella cheese because we are French,
Hey, that was mine.
grilled vegetables because we are French.
From Germany.
Huh?
Nutella is from Germany.
But I thought that everywhere in France. Watermelon, Frenchman, Brazilian America, Brazilian. But we are French family. Amen. God bless this food. Bye. What is this that you're putting?
Grout.
Grout.
Wash your towel after.
Like our new floor, much better than the old one. He's gonna put the baseboards, and we need to choose a new color for the kitchen, and the cabinets are gonna be dark, probably black, and he's doing the cabinets himself as well. We're gonna change in the future the microwave and the stove and the dishwasher because they are black and we want stainless steel. But easier to maintain. Marble is a pain in the butt to maintain. I don't want to get a stain, and it's super overpriced. So I'd rather to have
stone.
yeah. So we
difficult to maintain. And
so we decided to go with the other option that looks really nice too, but much easier to maintain. It's still a little more expensive than granite, but
no.
Olivier promised me that he would let me have the choice for the countertop, and I'm really glad. I think it's gonna look really nice.
That's it.
And then we'll need to wait to dry, and then he's gonna clean. I'll help you clean the tile. And that's how it looks so far.
Yeah, but it looks nice. But 5, 6 o'clock tonight. What time is it? Oh,
And that's it. I'll see you guys later.
Save me. Why are you vlogging me? Why? Really? Wake up. Why just put a little makeup? Makeup.
Ooh!
Is that private, Sammy? Wake up. Come on, baby.
But no, you wanted the covers.
Come on, baby.
My socks off.
Ow. Well, I read a lot of books.
You did.
See, look. Snap a picture. I'm a model. Come on. And she also chases his tail like a dog.
Okay. Time to wake up. Wake up.
Try to
Wake up.
force me.
Wake up. No, look at that. That's what she loves to do. Ignore the mess. She was asking for it.
Yeah, kind of, yes.
Baby.
She went next to the faucet and was crying.
Is it good water? Every day she does that.
Can I go swim?
Yes, go.
I can't. I'm like,